All right, guys, welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and today we've got another unboxing. This one's another one from Anointed AK. Scott, the owner, was gracious enough to send me out some more goodies. After my first review, I kind of talked to him a little bit behind the scenes there and tried to twist his arm because he's got so many scents. And you, at first glance, you might think, well, this is like novelty scents because you get... he's got like Mountain Dew scents and Yoo-hoo scents and candy and cereal and all of that. But if you look, he's got other scents too, right? A little bit more traditional scents. It's like, you know, I really would like to try like a Mountain Dew scent or one that smells like Fruit Loops. But I don't know if I think most guys wouldn't want to go for a whole bottle of that, at least to start with. So they tested it out. So I got him to make some sample packs. So I think he sent me one of those. So I'll show that to you. And I see a few other little goodies in here. So I want you to grow your beard. I love that sticker. That's cool. We got greetings from Alaska. That's where they are at. Very cool. If you haven't checked out Anointed AK, great artwork, great presentation, tons and tons and tons of scents, but they are high quality products, okay? If you haven't tried them, you need to, okay? We got Slush Yuppie. I think that's one of their scents that they have. That little dog's got a beard on there. And then, what else do we have? Oh, that's a cool, is that a sticker? I think that's a sticker too. Looks like an Anointed Alaska. And then this is one of the sampler packs. And I think these go for $22. But you get five, I think it's five. I think you get five different scents, and these are in 2 gram samples, which is a lot. So it's, I think it's less than half an ounce, but it's much more than a regular sample size. Okay, so you could get a good week out of that. That's pretty big. And the one he sent me, he's got wood blends, cologne blends, sweet blends, best sellers, which is kind of a mixture of different ones, miscellaneous and others. So this would be great present for yourself, great present for somebody else. We'll do a little bit more follow up on that. But we've got the lager. Let's take a little sniff. A lot of times with the sample bottles, sometimes you don't, especially on camera, it's hard to get a good whiff of it, but these are a little bit bigger bottles. Oh, man, that's nice. That's got a little bit of a cologne to it. Nice woodsy, manly cologne. Got one's called Terra Incognita Wood Blend Sample. That one's a little sweeter. I like that one. Man, I really love a good sweet and woody, not woodsy necessarily with the pine and all of that stuff. Mahogany and teak wood is usually a pretty good bet. That one's not quite as strong from what I can tell. Usually mahogany and teak wood's a good kind of cologne-esque type of scent. High Roller, I don't know what that one is. 2 gram vial. That one must have some sandalwood in it, it smells like. Oh, sandalwood musk. Maybe they've got it on here, what they are. Mahogany and teak. Terra Incognita was cedar wood and Mexican chocolate. That's what the sweetness I was getting from it. But it doesn't really smell like chocolate. I don't usually like chocolate scents in my beard anyway. And then the lager was leather, musk, and cedar. All right, and then I got one more. It's called Dendrophile. And that one looks like it's marked out. I don't see what's in that one. I'll have to do some research. It's a little sharper scent on that one. Good woodsy blends. I'm going to enjoy those. And then he sent me out another oil here. I don't know which one that is. By the way, it also does boxes of the month. All right, and I don't see how he can do all of these. He's just so creative. Comes out with different things every month, but they are high quality. Love the artwork on it. This one's called Fireside. Frosted bottle on this one. All different kinds of bottles and those kind of things. Limited edition blend. 20% of all things go to charity. And I don't know if I see the scent profile, but we'll do a follow-up on that. It doesn't smell smoky. Oh, marshmallow, that's what it is. Yeah, now I remember it's marshmallow and something else, but I like that one too. I like sweet scents. And I got one more. I think I kind of begged him to send me this one. This one I think was from the Scent of the Month box from last month, I think it was. I think it was from July, maybe from August, I don't remember. But this one is Cereza Suave, limited edition release. And it's tobacco and I think it's tobacco and cherry on a oud wood base or something. It was like, that sounds exactly like something I would love. And notice this one's not the frosted bottle. So all different kinds of presentations to highlight the different scents and those kind of things. I think most of them, no, I don't know if most of them have the white topper or not. I think there's a mixture. Oh yes. I'm going to be putting that one in shortly. So the nice sweet cherry and then the tobacco, and then I don't get tons and tons of ooh with the earthiness. I'm going to warm this one up. So hold on a second. I don't want to make a mess. Let me put this on the floor. A couple of drops. See what comes out or what goes away. A lot of times the top notes go away and then the underneath tones come out when you warm it up. That's got a little bit of like a cinnamon kind of spice to it maybe. Oh man, that's good. I'm gonna enjoy checking all that out. I will give you a follow-up review. I know this is a little bit longer unboxing than I usually do, but I got a little excited. Anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you check out Anointed AK. It's running deals and those kind of things a lot, so sometimes you get a 25% off or a buy one, get something kind of thing. So be checking that out, and we'll see you on the follow-up video soon. Thanks.